Hi bike riders. The 2026 Kawasaki Vulcan 2000 represents raw muscle, commanding presence and unapologetic power in the world of heavyweight cruisers. Known as one of the largest displacement production motorcycles ever built, the Vulcan 2000 is a symbol of dominance, torque, and road authority. For 2026, this legendary power cruiser returns with refined engineering, modern confidence, and the same brutal soul that made it unforgettable. The Vulcan 2000 has always stood apart from traditional cruisers. It was never about following trends, it was about breaking limits. When it first appeared, it shocked the motorcycle world with its massive engine, muscular proportions, and aggressive stance. The 2026 Vulcan 2000 continues this tradition, honoring its reputation as a true muscle cruiser, while embracing modern expectations of rideability and refinement. The design of the 2026 Kawasaki Vulcan 2000 is all about presence. Its long wheelbase, wide rear profile, and low-slung body create an unmistakable silhouette. Every line is heavy, deliberate, and powerful, projecting strength even when standing still. This is a motorcycle that demands attention and respect wherever it goes. While the Vulcan 2000 retains its classic muscle cruiser identity, the 2026 model introduces refined finishes and premium detailing. The combination of dark metallic tones, polished components, and clean surface treatments gives it a modern edge without losing its aggressive character. This balance creates a timeless look that feels both classic and contemporary. At the heart of the 2026 Vulcan 2000 lies its defining feature, a massive V-twin engine built for torque above all else. This engine is designed to deliver relentless low-end and mid-range power, producing instant thrust with the slightest twist of the throttle. Acceleration is forceful yet controlled, creating a riding experience that feels powerful without being chaotic. Despite its enormous displacement, the Vulcan 2000's engine delivers power smoothly and predictably. Torque builds steadily, allowing the motorcycle to surge forward with effortless authority. This smoothness enhances comfort and control, making long rides enjoyable rather than exhausting. The engine's character emphasizes dominance rather than aggression. Handling a motorcycle of this size requires serious engineering. The Vulcan 2000's chassis is built for rigidity and stability, ensuring confident performance even at highway speeds. The long wheelbase and solid frame design keep the bike planted and composed. This stability reinforces rider confidence and enhances the bike's commanding feel. The suspension system on the 2026 Vulcan 2000 is tuned to absorb road imperfections while maintaining composure. It delivers a smooth ride over long distances, minimizing fatigue and enhancing comfort. At the same time, it provides enough firmness to maintain control during spirited riding. This balance makes the Vulcan 2000 suitable for both cruising and open-road power runs. Braking a heavyweight cruiser requires dependable stopping power. The Vulcan 2000 delivers strong progressive braking that inspires confidence. The braking system is designed to manage the bike's mass effectively, ensuring controlled deceleration in all riding conditions. This reliability enhances overall rider safety and trust. The Vulcan 2000 offers a relaxed yet commanding riding position. Forward-set foot controls, a wide handlebar, and a supportive seat create an ergonomic setup ideal for long rides. This posture allows riders to remain comfortable while maintaining full control of the motorcycle. Long-distance cruising becomes effortless and enjoyable. Comfort has always been a strength of the Vulcan lineup. The 2026 Vulcan 2000 continues this tradition with a seat designed for extended riding hours. Vibration is minimized, and the overall ride quality supports all-day journeys. This makes the bike ideal for highway cruising and weekend touring. The instrumentation provides essential information in a clear, easy-to-read layout. Speed, engine data, and fuel information are presented in a straightforward manner, allowing riders to stay informed without distraction. This simplicity reinforces the Vulcan 2000's no-nonsense approach. Despite its size, the Vulcan 2000 remains surprisingly manageable. Smooth throttle response and stable low-speed behavior allow riders to navigate urban environments confidently. The bike does not feel intimidating once underway. This usability makes it practical for regular riding, not just special occasions. Kawasaki's reputation for durability and performance is deeply embedded in the Vulcan 2000. The 2026 model reflects high manufacturing standards, solid materials, and proven engineering. This motorcycle is built to last and perform consistently over time. Reliability enhances ownership satisfaction and long-term value. The 2026 Kawasaki Vulcan 2000 is designed for riders who crave torque, presence, and individuality. It appeals to experienced riders who want a cruiser that stands apart from traditional designs. This bike is for those who value power and character over trends. It is not for everyone, and that is its greatest strength. The 2026 Kawasaki Vulcan 2000 is a celebration of brute force refined by engineering precision. With its massive engine, commanding design, comfortable ergonomics, and road-dominating presence, it remains one of the most iconic power cruisers ever created. This is not just a motorcycle. It is a statement of strength, confidence, and freedom on two wheels.